Let's be honest, nothing kills your brand's vibe faster than spending hours on a gorgeous design in Canva, only to have it look like a broken website the second it hits someone's inbox. It's frustrating, right? You want that Canva magic in your emails without the technical headache. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to bridge that gap and send pro-level designs that actually work. And trust me, this is a complete game changer for your engagement. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Okay, here's the deal. Canva is amazing for creating visuals, and like any kind of visual, really. Newsletters, lead magnets, headers, infographics, I mean, you name it, Canva can design it. But Canva cannot send emails. You need an email service provider for that, like MailerLite. And honestly, MailerLite is the best one to pair with Canva, and I'm not just saying that. There are actually two ways they work together. First, you can design an entire email inside Canva and export it as HTML straight into MailerLite's HTML editor. And second, there's a direct Canva integration that lets you push images and graphics from your Canva into your MailerLite file manager in seconds. I'm going to break down both of those right now. So the first method, you want to build your email first inside of Canva. Click Create, choose Emails, and either start from scratch or pick one of their hundreds of templates. For this example, I'll use one of these cool templates they have. Let's go with, say, this one. Click on it to open it, then click Customize this template. Design it however you want. Now, when you're done, hit Share, and you can either just copy the HTML code, which is personally my favorite, as I find it faster, as you can just then paste it into the Import HTML option on MailerLite. However, the other option is to download the email as a zip file containing the HTML. Then jump over to MailerLite.
Click on the Create button from your dashboard, then click Create Campaign. From here, click Regular Campaign, and then click the option of starting from scratch. Now you can select the custom HTML editor. From here, you can then click the Import HTML code button, and then simply upload your zip file that you downloaded from Canva.
The email will appear in your preview exactly how you designed it in Canva. All the links, images, text are preserved. And here's something most people miss. The unsubscribe link, the preference center, and view in browser links from Canva get automatically converted to work with MailerLite. It doesn't get any easier than that. Now let's talk about the second method, which is the direct integration. This one is a complete game changer if you're creating graphics for your emails regularly. Inside Canva's editor, hit the Apps button on the left menu, search for MailerLite, and hit Open. When you open this for the first time, you'll need to connect your account. I've already done that, so that's why it's not prompting me to do it now. From there, then choose where to store the file. These are the folders I already have created on my account. Yours will be a little bit different, and then from there, pick your export options like file type and size, and hit Export. Done. Your design lands in your MailerLite file manager, ready to drop into any email, landing page, or form. There's no downloading, there's no uploading, just boom, instant access right there. Go ahead and smash that like button and hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribed for more tips on how to work smarter, not harder. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.